door. I'm gonna need a hat if you're gonna record me. No, you're not putting any of that on the video. Silly.
What are you making, Daddy?
I'm making a toolbox.
Huh?
Well, it's a tool cart. I'm making me a tool cart.
So I came in here and Chris is like building this really awesome tool cart. And I asked him why he wasn't recording any of it and sharing it with the world. And he said he was having a bad hair day.
Nah, I just don't feel like recording.
Well, that's what I'm for.
Sometimes it takes longer to set up the camera than it actually does the project.
Oh yeah, that's why I have a hard time doing candle videos lately, just because I just want to make the candles. I don't want to set up the shots.
I'm in kind of a... I'm trying to get this done because I need it. I need it because I got some work to do. And I got to take some tools with me. And these tools are going to be used for the same thing over and over and over. So this is going to be like my tool cart for a
You're so
job.
cryptic. Even I'm confused. Guess you got a plan.
This is going to be my assembly cart.
For assembling stuff.
Because I'm doing some assembling.
So you got a side hustle?
Yep.
Chris got a side hustle? What's her name? Balance. Check it out. The tiny little soybeans are starting to pop up. I'm gonna miss it here.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm making two boxes, just square boxes. And I'm going to put bottoms in two of them. Mm-hmm. And this is another box I made like years ago. We were like, when we first bought the truck, I built this just to put in my toolbox of the truck. Uh-huh. That way my tools are in here, and then I had storage areas beside my tools for other stuff. So anyway, I took this out of the truck, and I found this thingy in the northern tool dumpster, and it had wheels on it.
Is that when we went with Double D? Was that the episode? Because I'm thinking that was when you found it.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm gonna put these wheels on this box like this. All right. And then I'm gonna have a handle on it. You know, kind of like them cart bags. You know, where you have a handle.
Okay.
You can pull it around. Anyway, so that's gonna be on these wheels with a handle.
All right.
And then I'm building.
This is so gonna make sense by the end of the day, right?
And then it's gonna be.
Because I'm completely confused.
It's gonna be cool. But I'll be able to take the one with the lid. I'm putting a lid on it so it'll be a closed.
So it's a rolling wooden toolbox.
Yeah.
With a handle.
No. Oh yeah, with a handle.
Yeah, with a handle.
To pull it around.
Okay.
It's a cart, a tool cart.
Okay.
How?
Do what?
Supposed to stay in the house.
I'm supposed to stay in the house?
Yeah.
Why am I supposed to stay in the house?
Good.
Are you having a fit?
Yeah.
Are you angry?
Yeah.
How are you gonna be so angry on such a beautiful day?
It's good.
What is wrong?
You're supposed to stay in the red house.
We're supposed to stay at the red house?
Uh-huh.
Well, we gotta get a new house. Elion.
But anyway, I'm gonna have me a cool little tool cart with 3 boxes.
Cool.
It's gonna be awesome.
Are you going to be done with this
I
today?
seriously doubt it.
Oh, okay.
Because I just worked my ass
Well,
off for 8 hours. So. But yeah. You wanna see what I've been using as my tool carts?
Elion's mad because we're leaving the red house. Trader Joe's.
That's been my tool cart lately. 2 of them.
Elion, just wait.
And these are my dumpster work tables.
Wait.
I'm so glad I found them because I needed them.
Right?
Them things are like $50 or something like that. Why are you in here? Why are you in my trailer?
Elion, just wait.
What's he looking for?
Elion, come here.
Wait, wait, what?
Elion, just wait.
Wait.
The next house we move to, it's going to be all ours and we can do whatever we want to it.
House
And
are
we
we
can-
gonna go?
We can fix it up. We got to start looking for a new house.
What house are we gonna go in?
I don't know. We're going to have to pray to God and just have him look out for us and tell us where we're supposed to be.
I don't want
Do you think God will show us the right house?
you.
Yeah, me too. I think it'll be even better than the red house. So over here, I am starting to clean this area up a little bit. It's been like all winter long. It's just been really hectic and really messy. So now I want to get this all cleaned up and organized. I want to start making state candles, which is like a candle that's specific to the state that I'm making the candle for. Like the first one, because I've already kind of been inspired, is I'm gonna make Chesapeake candles. So the first one's going to be a Virginia candle, and this is the start of my Chesapeake candles, and it has everything that I have put together. The official Virginia state flower. I have to buy oils for that specific, I think it's the dogwood flower. I'm gonna buy that oil specifically for this candle. I have a lot of like beachy smells in this one, reminiscent of Virginia Beach. A lot of seagrasses and sea salt. It's just like a salty, breezy candle, and I want it to be. That's gonna be my first candle. It's gonna be Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia Beach. And that's what I'm working on. So I want, before I start that candle video, I want to totally organize this area because it's a mess. We got our cookbooks that we found here, and these shouldn't even be on my candle area. I don't want them to get messed up and full of wax. So I think today I am going to organize my candle area so that I can start on my Chesapeake, Virginia Beach candles.
Cool, we got 2 trays.
2 trays.
Well, I still got to put the bottom.
So what? So this is like it's like a drawer, but it doesn't slide out. It lifts out.
Yeah. Like these right here, these 3 pieces of wood going across, they're gonna hold the bottom and the top tray like that, right? But then we separate it like that. So those bottom pieces also hold it in place.
That was impressive.
So when you put it in there like that, well, I gotta sand them so they slide in there a little better. It's still rough, but once I get them sanded and the corners rounded, it'll just slide right in there easier.
Dang.
And then this one's gonna have a top on it with hinges pretty much. Or I could just make a top where I can just take the top
That'd be
off.
some awesome planter boxes.
That's probably how I'll make a worm box
Oh,
too. With the
look
layered
at you.
trays. I'll probably do a worm box the
Oh,
same
I can't
way.
wait to do a worm farm. I'm
Yeah.
actually really excited about that.
Because like in a worm box, that's how they do it. Like you start them
They'll
in the,
wiggle their way up.
you start the bottom and you put all the food in the bottom.
And the worm eggs?
Yeah, the worm eggs. You put those in the bottom. I think you can use worm eggs and start it.
Yeah.
But anyway, you do the bottom, you put food in it, right? And then after a little while, then you add another layer of dirt.
So that they crawl up and do that layer.
Yeah. But then you just have to put screen on the bottom. Or like, what do they use?
Mesh.
Wire mesh. So they can fit through the holes. But then after they eat all the food out of the bottom layer, then they'll move up to the next layer to get the food.
And then you take the bottom layer and do it all over again.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I can't wait.
And then you take the bottom layer where they pooped and all that in there and ate all the food and pooped in there, and then you put that in your plants. So, same idea.
Nitrogen-rich soil.
But then this part, these 2 trays, I'm going to do the same to this bottom tray. So then it's going to fit on this one like that. So this one will have a bottom, and then this one will have a bottom. So I'll have 2 boxes that fit on top of that box.
You're a genius.
And then it's going to be on wheels.
I bet you could build quite a cool bee house too.
And this,
So we could have bees?
yeah. And this is going to have a lid. That way I think I'll just have my main tools right here that I use mainly.
All of this talk makes me want to own our own house.
That way I can take this, put it on my workbench.
My brain's somewhere else.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about just moving up in the world and buying our own place.
It's going to happen.
So we can have bees and worms and plants and grapevines.
It'll happen soon.
And we don't have to worry about asking permission.
Yep. I'm looking forward to it too.
So today in my dirty little candle area, I'm working on some candles. I'm working on a blood orange buttercream cupcake candle, and I'm working on a tropical banana candle, which has like a lot of just tropical creamy vanillas and nice it's banana cream. So the tropical banana candles and the orange buttercream cupcake candles I want to be done for today, so that when I clean up my area I can start on my Virginia candles. But these are the jars that I have for the tropical banana candles, and I think I'm going to do the cupcake candles in these jars. So in the tropical banana candles, I want some coconut, some tropical pineapple, some lemongrass, and the creamy banana. So the first step is to wick these jars, and then we will start melting down the wax for our banana candles. And this has the lemongrass, the beachy smells, the seagrass, it's almost like a suntan oil scent. And then we will add our banana oil. So these are actually going to be wood wick candles. So what I want to do with my wood wicks is the bag that the wax is melting in. I want to actually put my wicks inside the melted wax because they're actually really dry. And when you just light the wood wicks without the wax on them, they tend to just burn out. So you want to always soak your wood wicks in melted wax for about 10 to 15 minutes before you actually put them in your candle. And that way, you'll be sure to have really good wicks that won't burn out on you. So we'll leave those in there for another 10 minutes. So for the orange buttercream candles, I'm going to use a creamy citrus fruity scent as well as Malibu rum cupcakes. So that'll give it a nice fruity smell. Plus we'll get the buttercream scent from the Malibu rum.
Lot of sanding on the outside, and I'm gonna make this old box on the outside. It's gonna look brand new.
Wow.
On the inside, I don't know, I'll see. But I put the top on it, and this is like an enclosed box. I have to cut the lid off,
Right.
so to open, put some hinges on it. And I had to sand it because these are pretty tight, a pretty tight fit. But this box, which is enclosed now, and those hang down so they lock in place.
It's pretty dang cool. Can't wait to see it sanded.
Yeah, I gotta sand these two some and thin them up a little bit so they'll fit in there a little bit easier. I don't want it to be too easy, but a little bit easier. But that's the top box. The lid's gonna open. So anytime, you know, like if I need the stuff out of here somewhere, I can just take that off, set it to the side, and then I got this tray, the middle tray, like that, and it's got
Pretty
the
awesome.
same thing, the little rails where it just, that one goes on easier.
So all that's left is putting the wheels on and sanding it, right?
Yep, sand it, put the wheels on, and this one's a little used, but that's cool.
Kind of like your mom.
this coolness.
What is it?
Alright, so it's a bat.
What?
And it's gonna come out the tree and it's gonna kinda like fly around me. But watch, I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. Because for some reason there was like a lot of bats where I used to live.
And some reason they're attracted to you.
Maybe. I don't know. But watch this. He's gonna fly near me. Sort of. Maybe.
Okay.
But you're
You're all talking, no action.
Alright. Just watch. Scared them away yelling.
Yeah, right.
They don't like that loud sound. Bats like quiet. Did you see them flying?
Yeah.
You might have got them on camera.
Those are damn delicious.
I like them.
Hostess triple chocolate brownies. Oh my gosh. I need to stay away from those. They are good.
I ain't ate one yet, but I will, I bet.
Oh, they're good.
I really like them.
I figure I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this for a minute, then I'm gonna go do a lot of sanding. I really want to get this box done tomorrow. It'd be nice to
Daddy,
have
what are you going to make?
to get my hustle done.
I had enough wax. This is the blood orange cupcake buttercream wax, and I had enough of that to make 16 wax melts. So those will be on the Chris and Hollie shop, and these are the completed candles. I think they turned out really awesome. They smell awesome. This is the tropical banana. And this is the orange buttercream cupcake candle. Oh, look at that. You got wheels on it and you didn't record any of it.
Check that out. I put the axle through the inside.
Whoa!
It seems pretty balanced. It seems pretty good.
Whoa!
So now I gotta do some legs in the front, some stand.
Why is it so shiny, Chris?
because I put a clear coat on it last night. Dude, I've been busy working on
He
this.
didn't record anything. He was just like, I'm doing it.
There's the middle tray. And then this is the top box. I hadn't cut it open for the lid yet. It's like completely shut. So I just gotta run that on the table saw and cut the top off, but this thing's looking pretty cool, man. Now that's a dang toolbox cart. Check that out. I'm thinking about making me some fenders.
Oh my god.
Make some fenders around it. Maybe just do some straight fenders.
Well, it's looking
This
good.
is gonna be cool.
Looking good.
So I gotta make my front kickstand.
Next step.
So it'll.
So you're almost done.
I still gotta do the handle too. So I still got a lot to do. But I'm like kind of impressed. This is pretty cool.
Let's clean this candle room up. Well, let's see it. Let's see it.
Dude, I've been working on this thing non-stop for 2 days. My work cart. Dumpster wheels. My dumpster wheel work cart. Made me a nice fancy handle. I still gotta put a finish on some of it, do a little more sanding.
All right, show us what it does.
I'm gonna be working on this thing, doing upgrades to it forever probably. But I put these straps on here because I noticed when I tip it, the box wants to go back. Because I have this handle just basically on the axle. Basically just around the axle.
Basically?
It's around the axle. So I put these straps on here to stop it from tipping. I don't think it'll tip when I have weight in the front of it, like tools. But to open the lid, I made my handle. Oh, I had them stoppers right there. So then I put stoppers in the front to stop the handle from falling so I can move it forward. That way when I move it forward, I open the lid.
Wow.
And I need to put me like a lid stopper. Because I'm probably going to be adding stuff, like I'll probably have me some screwdriver holders and stuff.
Yeah.
So then,
That is
and then there's my second layer. So I can put that to the side if I want. Got me a little toolbox.
cool. That is really
It looks like a little tool briefcase.
cool.
It looks like a little briefcase.
And then I got me I got me another tray for goodies. That'll probably be my snack tray.
You should insulate a part.
And then I got this part for the big stuff.
Whoa.
Awesome.
And as you can see, I got the axle inside. The axle actually has a flat bottom, so it won't really move. So I put these in here just to secure it a little more.
Very good. It's Debbie approved.
That is really cool. I told him he needs to burn his name on it because somebody's gonna swipe it.
He needs a wood burner that says
That's great.
Knife's Wood Shop. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, you mean a brand?
Nah,
yeah, a brand.
I just want one that says Knippy.
Yeah.
Knipe. Knippy Knipe.
That is so cool. I love that.
I worked my butt off on this dang thing.
That is nice.
Now you got to build another one for our worm box.
Oh yeah, for sure. If I ever have time.
I guess it's time for Chris and Holly to let everyone know what we finally decided about the big red house.
Yeah, it's time to go buy something. We're gonna get back on the market, start house hunting
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
So am I gonna look cool rolling up the job?
I don't know.
like
Walk away,
Am I gonna look cool when I walk up to the job site?
dork.
Complain about it, or I'm not.
I heard that.
Oh, no!